Good day everyone, we are here to explain the distribution network. But first, we will explain what is distribution network. A distribution network is the process of distributing goods within an interconnected group of storage facilities through the interconnection of transportation mode. Each facility performs specialized duties to facilitate the delivery of goods to the final consumer. For example, a company that manufactures clothes and sells them directly to its customers using an e-commerce platform would be utilizing a direct distribution channel. Now, we will discuss the different types of marketing distribution channel. First, when developing distribution strategies, companies assess how marketing channels link producers to buyers, affect advertising and promotion, and influence pricing. It means a business can use different pricing strategies when selling a product or service. The price can be set to maximize making a profit for each unit sold, or from the general market. It can be used to defend an existing market from new entrants, to increase market share within a market, or to enter a new market. Next is alternative terms for marketing channel include distribution channel or route to market. It is a path or pipeline through which goods and services flow in one direction, from vendor to the consumer, and the payments generated by them flow in the opposite direction, from consumer to the vendor.
Good morning, Sir UMLAS. Good morning, everyone. I'm Tracy BALDIVIA, and for the next topic, I will discuss the marketing channel, also under of distribution network. A marketing channel consists of the people, organizations, and activities necessary to the transfer the ownership of goods from the point of production to the point of consumption. It is the way products get to the end user, the consumer, and is also known as a distribution channel. The purpose of using marketing channels is to enable producers of goods and services to create an efficient strategy to get the correct products to their target customers. A distribution network is the process of distributing goods within an interconnected group of storage facilities through the interconnected of transformation made. Each facility performs specialized duties to facilitate the delivery of goods to the final consumer. Lastly, direct distribution channels are those that allow the manufacturer or service provider to deal directly with its end customer. For the example, a company that manufactures clothes and sells them directly to its customer clothes and sells that directly to its customers using an e-commerce platform will be utilizing direct distribution channel. That's all. Thank you.
Good day everyone, I am JONALYN and I'm going to report the part of type of marketing distribution channel. To sway channel intermediaries to stock their product over other brands, companies engage in promotional tactics including higher profit margins, special deals, premiums, and allowances for advertising or display on store shelves. And what I understand about it is that the purpose of a channel intermediary is to move products to consumers, whether in the business or consumer sector channel. Intermediaries also provide transactional, logistics, and facilitating functions such as physical distribution, inventory stage, and sorting. That's all. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Cathrine Crisostomo and I'm going to explain the two considerations in marketing channel. First, intermediaries is an intermediary in a third party that offers an intermediation service between two trading parties. Second is supply chain is a system of organizations, people, technology, activities, information, and resources involved in moving a product or service from supplier to customers. Intermediaries often provide valuable benefits. They make it easier for buyers to find what they need. They have set standards and they enable comparison shopping. efficiency improvements that keep markets working smoothly, but they can also capture a disproportionate share of the value a company creates. Next is competitive priorities in marketing channel. Is one of the ways companies gain a competitive advantage in the market is through successful incorporation and management of marketing channels. So in a company, for them to gain more clients or customer and for them to pursue their company's goals and objectives, being competitive is one of the advantage in marketing channel.
What is marketing channel means? Marketing channel is a set of practices or activities necessary to transfer the ownership of goods, to move goods from the point of product to the point of consumption, and such as which consists of all the institution of all the marketing activities in the marketing process. There are kinds of marketing channel function. Number one is wholesaler, direct to the distributor, internet direct, catalog direct, and sales team, value-added reseller, consultant, retail sales agent, manufacturer representative. This channel function supplement your own direct sales operation and extend your market coverage to wider group of consumer.
Good day, sir, and to my old classmates. My name is KENN REVECHE, and this is my report. My topic is all about the distributed network. Distributed network, the definition of distributed network is a system of interconnect but independent networks, often spread across multiple geographical locations. And we have parts of PRDT for distributed monitoring. First, PRDT instance. PRDT instance is a network monitor instance are based on the number of sensors and core servers, depending on the license. You can choose between anywhere from one server and 500 sensors to an unlimited numbers of server and sensor. 2. Multiple core server. For each PRDT server, you can create up to 10,000 sensors. Hardware permitting more than that, and it makes sense to install several PRDT instances on a multiple servers. 3. Core server. Core server is the PRDT monitoring environment as installed on a core server. This is where all the monitoring data is sent. The information is displayed on a dashboard on your desktop, tablet, or smartphone. And 4. Remote progress. Remote progress is created in the remote locations of distributed networks. Installation is extremely easy and only takes a few minutes. Remote progress can be used to create a sensor on device in the respective location. And we have a part of common monitoring challenge with the distributed network. First, device discovery. Device discovery is unless you're building a network from scratch or the network is very small. Device discovery is usually a challenge. Additionally, network documentation is often lacking a varied device don't always support the same network protocols, and credentials are always known. 2. Network documentation. One of the most common forms of tech debt is the network engineering documentation. Production networks are never static. Device fail admits make change to keep the network running. And 3. Visualization. Visualization is an effective network. Visualization can improve everything from capacity planning to network troubleshooting. If you have a clear view of your networks, physically and logically layout, you can make better decisions with less time. And last but not the least, scalability. Scalability is a distributed network are designed to the scale to effectively monitor monitor a distributed network, you need tooling that can scale with generally it means monitoring tools that require a lot of manual. Configuration with can become a operational bottleneck in distributed network. And that's all. Thank you.
Good day, Sir UMLAS. Good day, classmates. I'm John Marcos Salologan from BSE 3D. According to Investopedia.com, in a supply chain, a distribution network is an interconnected group of storage facilities and transportation systems that receive inventories of goods and then deliver them to customers. It is an intermediate point to get products from the manufacturer to the end customer, either directly or through a retail network. Establishing an effective distribution network requires a studied approach because it is increasingly considered a critical asset in this new age of e-commerce. In supply chain, distribution network is very important for handling and delivering quality products for the customers. It requires strategic planning to gain profit margin by keeping low costs for the company and keeping the time management for efficient and quick response to the customers in the transaction of goods. Manufacturer, wholesaler, and retailer are all parts in a supply chain industry that must be considered, especially in distribution network. Manufacturer is a person or company that makes goods for sale. Wholesaler is a person or company that sells goods in large quantities at low prices, typically to retailers, while retailer is a person or business that sells goods to the public and relatively small quantities for user consumption rather than for resale. That's all. Thank you.